Well, talking about other tips, this is one of them. We're going to be going away. You're going to be going to family events, or maybe that might be more casual, but you might be going where you have to get dressed up, whether it be for New Year's and you're traveling on a plane, and you're going to have to pack something like this. This is a really pretty one. It has a beautiful belt that goes with it. You can package that separately. Now, a lot of people, what they do is they use tissue. So that would be one way of telling you to do this one, but I think this is a lot easier to do. I find that my best things when I have special things like this, and it's so simple, is just to put a plastic bag over it, and then, are you watching this? Do it like that, and take the hanger and pull it down into the dress. And then you can take it and pack it, and you'll have the least amount of creasing or wrinkles or anything if you do it this way. Now, I do have something I must tell you. Now, you're all going to feel really sorry for me, but it's okay. I learned a lot, and it's helped me a lot in my business. My sisters both wore a gorgeous linen wedding dress, and when I got engaged, I was supposed to wear that same dress. But unfortunately, when the dry cleaner did it, he packed it in the box after it had just been steamed. And what happened was, when we went to open the box for me, the thing looked like a baby. It was big enough for a doll. It completely shrunk, at least 4 sizes. So I could not wear that, and I was terribly disappointed. So if you're going to do this with a gown or anything and you steam it, leave it for 24 hours before you actually pack it like this or into any box like this. That's a really important suggestion. For the other casual things, that's sort of business as usual. So just a tip on how to do that. And now maybe we should talk about how to bring gifts. I just wanted to go a little bit in detail because this works really well, and talk a little bit more about traveling and traveling with gifts. Number one, if gifts are large or anything and you're going in a car, who cares? But if you're going on a plane, not too many people take trains today, but a lot of planes. Okay, there's 2 ways to go. There's always the private, the charters, or there is the commercial. Charters we don't have to worry about. But even with those, you do have to worry about space, because we travel a lot of times. A lot of our hats go that way to the Derby, and when they do go that way, they're told they only have so much room. But I did want to go over what we do when people have to go and they are going commercial. Probably the best thing to do is, if you buy something like a piece of jewelry as a gift like this, okay, and you want to get there, by the way, this is a very pretty gift, and I want to talk to you about these later, okay? Don't forget, they're going to be a test. Okay. Well, for jewelry, it's really cool what we do. We put them in these little bags, which is not a bad idea. If you buy something and they don't have a bag, you can go pick these up for really small. Ours are a little more because they have my name on them. But anyway, then what we do is, we don't give this into a bag or a box or anything. We have our little bags. I'm going to do a little bigger one here, but this is a little bigger one. And instead of opening it, but I will open it for you, we give them this bag, and we give them tissue. And we put that flat inside this bag. And then what they can do when they travel is they can travel like this. Now, when they get to where they're going, now gets the fun part. Open the box up. Take tissue. Put it in. Put your little gift inside. And if you get colored on some of these, you can, I think when you go to all these stores, you can pick up colored ones or do whatever. And if you want, you can put a bow at the top. Makes it real easy. This isn't something that you would keep. Normally, you would have to carry on the plane. Now you've got it so you can't. So wherever you can do something and consolidate like this, it really is a good idea. On bigger items, we have to talk. You have got to ship them. First of all, if you're carrying a lot of gifts, you're a target. Because during the season is also one of the biggest, all kinds of thefts, people pickpocketing, all kinds of stuff. Please think about it when you're traveling. You could be in these airports for a few hours. You're going to be leaving your stuff. Don't take the chance to leave it somewhere, or don't take the chance to leave things that people think they might want. All right? Believe me, they are certainly adequate and know what they're doing, so we have to be a little bit smarter than them. Second thing I'm going to suggest is, I know we talked about the black outfit, which is another reason I wear the black outfit. Whenever we have some really good stuff here that really stands out. I didn't tell her about this, but can I move over here, Natasha? Okay.